Around 5020 BC, in the dry and tough environment of Chile's Atacama Desert, someone sat down and stayed in that position for thousands of years. Because the Atacama is one of the driest places on earth, the person's body was naturally preserved. Even the skin, hair, and clothes are still there today. This gives scientists a rare look into life from thousands of years ago. Scientists think that these naturally dried out bodies may have inspired the Chinchorro people who lived in that area to start mummifying their dead on purpose. A new study says that this practice began during a time when the Chinchorro had enough food and their population was growing. They lived in small fishing villages along the coast of what is now Chile and Peru. The Chinchorro people started mummifying bodies around 5050 BC, even earlier than the ancient Egyptians. This well-preserved body is one of the Chinchorro mummies made by the Chinchorro culture. These are some of the oldest mummies ever found, and they were made thousands of years before Egyptian mummies. The Chinchorro had a very advanced way of preserving their dead. They would remove the organs, rebuild the body using clay and other materials, and then wrap it in cloth. The Chinchorro mummies were first discovered in the early 19th century. They have helped scientists learn a lot about life in ancient South America, like how people dressed, what they looked like, and how they were buried. These mummies are not just important for science, but they also show how people in the past were deeply connected to their land and culture. Archaeologists have often wondered how and why the Chinchorro started mummifying their dead. Some thought the idea might have come from the wetter Amazon region, but according to a new study led by the Pablo Marquardt from the Catholic University in Santiago, Chile, the practice may have started because of climate change that dried out the Atacama Desert. Marquardt said, "Until now, most research has focused on how climate change leads to the fall of societies. Our study shows how it can also help them grow." If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.